Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making Eid al-Adha card. And as we craft, we're going to be learning about Eid. Are you excited? You're going to need a black marker, a pair of scissors, a piece of card, a glue stick, and some cotton. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Before we begin any task, we start by saying Bismillah. So say it with me. Bismillah. Great job! I'm starting off by folding my card in half. Then I'm going to get my cotton and start turning little bits of cotton into balls by rolling it on the palm of my hand. Have you ever heard of Eid al-Adha? It's a very special holiday celebrated by Muslims all over the world. People call it the Festival of Sacrifice, and it's one of the two biggest holidays in Islam. The other one is called Eid al-Fitr. Eid is a time when we remember a very important story from a long time ago about the prophet named Ibrahim alayhi salam. This story teaches us about faith, trust in Allah, and sharing with others. So this is the story behind Eid al-Adha. Once upon a time, Prophet Ibrahim had a dream. And in his dream, he saw that Allah was asking him to sacrifice his son to show how much he trusted him. That sounds very scary, doesn't it? But remember, it was a test. Ibrahim alayhi salam told his son, and his son said, "If God wants this, I will obey." And both father and son were very brave and full of faith. But just when Ibrahim alayhi salam was about to do it, Allah stopped him. And Allah said that Ibrahim had passed the test of faith, and he didn't have to sacrifice his son. Instead, Allah gave him a ram, which is a big sheep, to sacrifice. This story teaches us that Allah wants us to have strong faith. Obedience and kindness are very important. And we must trust that Allah always knows best. So why do we sacrifice an animal on Eid al-Adha? Well, Muslims remember this story by sacrificing an animal, usually a sheep, a goat or a cow. But wait, don't worry, the animals are treated very kindly and gently. The sacrifice is done with care. The meat is not all kept for the family. That's the best part. The meat is divided into 3 parts. 1 part for the family, 1 part for friends and neighbours, and 1 part for poor people or people in need. Isn't that nice? Everyone gets to share and be happy. So now I've rolled my cotton balls into little balls. I'm going to get my glue stick and stick them on in a circle in the shape of a sheep. Eid al-Adha also happens during a special trip called Hajj. Hajj is a holy journey to the city of Mecca in Saudi Arabia. For Muslims who can afford it and are healthy enough, they should go at least once in their life. It's one of our 5 pillars of Islam. If you'd love to learn more about Hajj, check out the video before this. And Eid al-Adha happens at the end of Hajj. Even if you're not on Hajj, you can still celebrate Eid wherever you are. Now, let's talk about what happens during Eid. It's so much fun and full of love and joy. On Eid morning, people wake up early. They take a bath, wear their nicest clothes, and get ready to go to the mosque for a special Eid prayer. At the mosque, Muslims pray a special prayer just for Eid. They also listen to a short talk called a khutbah from the Imam, reminding everyone of the meaning of Eid. People hug and say Eid Mubarak, which means blessed Eid or happy Eid. You can try it too. Eid Mubarak! After the prayer, families that can afford it sacrifice an animal. This can be done by them or through a service. In many places, people donate money to help others make the sacrifice. And then they share the meat, like we talked about earlier. And this is called qurbani. Yummy food is a big part of Eid. Mum, Dad and Grandma's cooking delicious meals. Rice, meat, sweets and more. What's your favourite food? That's mine too! Now I'm using my black marker to outline the shape of a sheep's head. I'm going to colour that in and also draw some legs on the sheep. Eid is a time to be together. Families visit each other, give hugs and enjoy happy moments. Sometimes there are big Eid parties or fun activities at mosques or community centres. It's common for kids to get a hadiyah. That's money or small gifts given to children by parents, uncles, aunts or grandparents. Kids also give hugs and say thank you. Eid al-Adha isn't just about meat and gifts. It teaches us some very important things. Just like Prophet Ibrahim, we should trust Allah and be kind and faithful. Eid reminds us to think about those who have less. That's why we give part of the meat to poor people and help others in need. Eid is about kindness, love and forgiveness. We try to be nice to everyone, our family, our neighbours and even strangers. Eid is about community. Here are some awesome ways you can enjoy and help during Eid. You can help your parents clean the house before Eid. You can choose and lay out your Eid clothes the night before. You can join your family in the Eid prayer. Or help set the table for meals. create cards or crafts for your family, just like what we're doing now. And I'm grabbing a small bit of cotton for the top head of the sheep. You can share your toys or treats with other kids and say thank you and show kindness. Even small things can make Eid special for you and others. Eid al-Adha is a day full of smiles, hugs, and delicious food, happy memories, and thankfulness. It's not just about one day, though it's about carrying the spirit of Eid in our hearts every day. That means being kind, helping others, saying thank you, and believing in Allah, and doing our best to be good to people. So let's review what we learnt while I grab my black marker and write Eid Mubarak or Eid al-Adha on our card. So what does Eid al-Adha mean? Can you remember? The festival of sacrifice. And who is the prophet in the Eid story? It's Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Good job. What do Muslims sacrifice on Eid? An animal, like a sheep or a cow. And what is Hajj? It's our holy trip to Mecca, one of our 5 pillars of Islam. And lastly, what do kids get on Eid? An idea! Money or gifts, that's right! Now you know all about Eid al-Adha. You can share what you've learnt with your friends. Whether you're celebrating with your family or learnt about it in school, you're part of the joy. So from me to you, Eid Mubarak! May your days be full of happiness, faith, kindness and giggles. Eid al-Adha is a time to celebrate love, faith and kindness. Whether you're giving a smile, sharing your toys, or just saying Eid Mubarak to someone, you're spreading the joy. Always remember, the true meaning of Eid is not just in the food or gifts, but in the love we show to others. Just like in the story of Prophet Ibrahim, to have strong faith in Allah, to trust His plan, and to show kindness and generosity to others, and spreading love and goodness to everyone around us.
Beautiful card you made! I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can write inside it and give it to our friends for Eid. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. Oh Allah, allow this Eid to be filled with joy and happiness for all. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.